Hey guys, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another revamping video where I'm going to take one piece or one staple item from my wardrobe and dress it up in different ways. As you might have guessed it from the title, I am going to show you 10 different outfits with one black turtleneck. So turtleneck is a basic staple and you can wear this style throughout the year and for every occasion, from office wear to casual evenings to date night. And if you choose to wear it in winters, choose the fabric accordingly. Here I'm wearing a knitted turtleneck to keep me warm and cozy. So starting with the most effortless look, pairing the turtleneck top with blue skinny denims. You can wear this casual look anytime, anywhere you want while enjoying lunch with your friends or while out running some errands. This outfit honestly is like a uniform to me and I can never ever get bored of this. So to make this outfit look more on the dressier side and less on the casual side, I am wearing these ankle length boots from Coops and I kid you not, I am obsessed with them and you can literally see how I am taking care of them. I don't want any wrinkles on these boots. So winters is the perfect season for blazers. Whether you find one in a solid color or a colorful pattern, they are perfect to make a cozy piece like a turtleneck feel more dressed up without losing on the comfort side. Brown blazer and a black turtleneck worn together are totally a match made in heaven. Do always check for the buttons before wearing the blazer, or else if you are a lazy person like me, you'll realize it while filming a video. Carry your accessories, your glasses and your sling bag and get out of the home now. As you can see here, it really didn't require much effort for me to casually look all put together in this outfit. Combination of black turtleneck and blue jeans brings comfort and chicness all together. And I swear, out of all the blue denims that I own, this is one of my favorite denims and I'm pretty sure you might be able to guess it why. And for accessories, I'll be wearing the same gold hoops throughout the video, and you know my love for this bag. And if you don't, go watch all my other videos. While you're doing that, you can also subscribe to my channel. Be a multitasker, you know. To add a certain bit of classiness in this casual outfit, I am wearing this black blazer and boy oh boy, my black boots. And of course, I won't be stepping outside without my sunglasses. I have to hide my dark circles, you know. The next one, pairing the turtleneck with high-waisted black jeans. Honestly, this is a staple and everyone should have a black high-waisted jeans in their wardrobe. This is the most easiest look anyone can achieve without digging much into their wardrobe. But we'll make this outfit stand out and unique with these pink fila shoes and this olive green jacket. I kid you not, I wore the exact outfit while I was out with my friends and I was really happy because usually we don't wear such combinations, but it looks super amazing. The vibrant pink shoes pull focus and become a dominating factor of the outfit, and to balance it out and to share the attention, I am wearing this olive green jacket. Green and pink are complementary colors, and since I kept the rest of the outfit minimal and in plain black color, the whole outfit looks seamlessly casual and put together. The next one. Honestly, this outfit screams my personality. I mean, this is my most worn outfit and I believe I will never ever be bored of it. It's dapper, it's chic, it's everything that reflects my personality. Here I folded the lace sleeves to give more of a clean look. Also added some neck pieces here. I am not much of a fan of neck pieces because I usually wear a pendant, but here in this outfit the neck pieces is giving proper attention at the right place. I paired black leather jacket with this outfit. Black leather jacket and black jeans are the kind of a winning off-duty look that you so desperately need when you have zero time to plan out a look. And if you need to instantly elevate your outfit with a pair of shoes, wear black pumps or sock boots to instantly make it more perfect and more chic. The next outfit is more on the formal front, and I know अभी कोविड का situation चल रहा है, but office के लिए अभी से I'm giving you an idea. So black pants are a wardrobe necessity, and it's a versatile staple and can be paired in multiple ways. So let me know if you guys want me to create a video on this one too. Comment down below. These pants are extremely comfortable. I have legit worn them in my office, and I got these from Myntra last year. I'll definitely mention the link in the description box. So be it summer or winter, the blazer style will never go out of fashion. It doesn't matter if you're talking about men's fashion or women's fashion. The blue blazer combination is one of its kind. It should be a must-have item in every wardrobe. So navy blue blazer combinations can be worn as a formal, semi-formal or casual look, making this blazer one of the most versatile and uber chic must-own item. And I kid you not, I honestly have worn this whole outfit in my office, and sure was one fashionable moment for me that day, considering when you're into IT, you don't even think of actually putting efforts in dressing up. But you can dial up any outfit with a blazer whenever and wherever you want, and finishing the outfit with black pumps. And of course, I need my bag. Obviously, इसमें laptop तो नहीं आएगा, but it's a classy vintage bag and looks amazing with formal wear. The clear example of old is gold are flare jeans. Flare jeans are from 60s and they are back in trend. Everywhere you see, in magazine, Pinterest, YouTube, latest trends, you'll find flare jeans making a huge comeback. And now you might be thinking, फिर से blue and black? But the jeans are different, and honestly, every pair of denims has their own aesthetic and their own vibe. Here the vibe I'm carrying is extremely chic and retro, and to add up more comfort, I'm wearing white sneakers. These are my favorite sneakers and they are from Cooves. And to add that extra layer of coolness to a flare denim outfit, I am wearing a leather jacket. You can also wear a jacket in a moto, blazer or shirt silhouette for the current vibe. This became an edgy look because of the leather jacket and the shoes, but if you want to soften the outfit for a more feminine feel, you can always switch the shoes with a pair of heels. Cold weather doesn't mean that you only have to stick to dark colored clothes. Although my preference is always black, but you can see that I added a pink outfit here. If you think pink pants are just for spring and summer, then please think again. You can wear any color anytime you want and nobody is stopping you. A big part of maximizing a wardrobe is finding ways to wear different pieces year-round. And if you're finding trouble in doing so that's what I'm here for with my YouTube channel, to help you style your clothes in different and beautiful ways. So do subscribe to my channel and watch out my other videos where I've styled basic pieces in different ways. This is the easiest way to wear pink pants in winter. For this look, I went with a contrasting black turtleneck. You could also try navy or even a hunter green top. Pairing a bright or soft color with the colors of the season helped them look less out of place. A good pair of footwear instantly lifts the outfit. I'm wearing black pumps here. You can wear this attire in your office or even if you're out with your friends for brunch. This is a classic example of being elegant and comfy at the same time. Okay, hands down the most favorite outfit of the entire video. Let me just start with explaining a little bit about what I did here. This trick might be simple, but it's still genius. If you're that type of person who spends the entire winter struggling to put together a winter appropriate outfit but meanwhile has a closet full of summer ready dresses, this example is best for you. I kid you not, my mother was shocked when I showed up in this because I've had this dress for so long and never before this video I thought of wearing it like this. I mostly wore a blazer above it, but somehow the actual neck detailing got hidden, but now I can flaunt it and still be comfortable at the same time. The trick is to take a sleeveless or short sleeve dress and layer it with a turtleneck. It adds a casual, cozy vibe, and yet the extra neck coverage keeps it feeling polished. For this outfit, I chose a strapless dress because these type of dresses pair so incredibly well with turtlenecks. The reason behind this is that it allows the turtleneck to be visible, which makes it a win-win situation for both the dress and the turtleneck. The key to this look is choosing a fitted top that hugs your body so it won't bunch or bulge under the dress. Also, to choose a dress that doesn't have layers of chiffon or beading, as solid works best for the silhouette. If you want to refresh your wardrobe, then pink color is the perfect choice. Pleated skirts have become a classic piece and are super trendy. And you might judge me for wearing and choosing pink out of all the colors, but believe me, once you try on pink color skirt, you will immediately feel yourself differently. I don't know if it's because of the color, but the feeling is really different yet wonderful. Black turtleneck balances the pink color and makes the outfit more put together. A turtleneck and a hot pink skirt are an amazing match that will integrate perfectly within your off-duty wardrobe. To bring more subtlety to your outfit, wear black pumps or stilettos and also carry a sling bag. A black turtleneck and a leather skirt matched together are a total eye candy for those dressers who appreciate cool and chic outfits. This is the perfect example of casual meets classy kinda look. And why not take a classic approach with footwear and complement this look with a pair of black leather boots, and to put a glamorous spin on this outfit with brown blazer. Do not forget to wear stockings because you obviously need to have something on your legs, otherwise you will catch cold. This combination of black turtleneck and leather skirt looks gorgeous, but it's also super easy to create. And finishing this look with sling bag and sunglasses, and off I go. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.